Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's video, I have a craft with me. I'm going to be using Happy Crafter Shop's new die sets. Make sure you guys snatch them. One of them is sold out right now. You can use code Poochie10 to save 10% off on happycraftershop.com. This is the Embellishment Book 2025. It is sold out, you guys. I have not finished. Let me show you what it looks like. Check out Happy Crafter because she has a tutorial on how to put this together. And it's just a really cute embellishment book. You can, create so many different things. I have another idea for this. That's why I haven't finished this yet. Here goes a pocket. It comes with this cute little pocket. I probably should use a different color paper because it kind of blends in too much. But there's a pocket there. And then I put 2 pages. So check out Happy Crafters. I'm going to link her tutorial because she shows you how to put this together. And I do have another idea. So next week I will be finishing this. But today I wanted to play with the Doily set 2. This comes with 2 different sizes, you guys. And you get 3 pieces to each layer. Let me share those with you. So you get this piece here, which is the Doily. And it has this cute little scallop edge. The next piece looks like this without the, the cuts on the inside, the intricate cuts. And then you get a cute little stitch layering piece. Now you get 2 different sizes for this, you guys. Let me go ahead and share with you all. I made some embellishments. So here goes the bigger, and then there goes the smaller of the size. So I went ahead, and here goes another example. Small and then a bigger size. I'm using Rosie Studios Primavera collection. I'll have the code listed down below for you guys to save with Rosie Studio as well. And I love the way they came out. These are going to be cute. Even in the embellishment book, you can put one on the top. Look at how pretty that is. Or you can have them in the book. They're going to fit very nicely. I made these pretty chunky, so... But how pretty is that? So let's go ahead and let's make some together. This one, I went ahead and I layered just 2 of the pieces and I put a bow. I have, this is an embossing folder and a die set that I have in my stash. I'm gonna link it down below in case you guys are interested. So I'm gonna be using those today. Let's go ahead and do this one really quick. So we need some foam tape so we can layer these bad boys. So once again, that embellishment book, she is going to be restocking. It's a must-have, you guys. I cannot wait to make the other project that I want to make. Hopefully I'll have that video next week for sure. And I'll show you guys how my embellishment book came out. And I'll show you the other idea I have with that die set. All right, so we got foam tape here. Let's just stick that down on our first layer. And then this one, I want to put foam, but then I don't. Let's not put foam. Let's just glue this down. Like so. And then I'm going to use that bow. That set that I have in my stash, it comes with several different bows. So I'm going to use this one. Cut another piece of foam because it is embossed. So it's kind of hard to glue it. Since there's no like flat back, it's raised in the back. So I'm going to go ahead and use foam tape. Let me cut this in half because it's small. Guys, make sure you grab these die sets if you didn't grab them. They're really cute. I have a few projects already that I posted for Happy Crafter Shop. I'll have my playlist listed down below in case you guys want to check it out. We created a dangle already. What else did we create, guys? Oh, I can't think. We made the wand and the award ribbon. And then you can just go ahead and put some tulle here. I'm going to do a smaller rosette of tulle for that one. And then I wanted to put this one together. I went ahead and picked out my ephemera pieces so I don't make this video too long. But let's go ahead and layer this. Let me cut this up. I'm running low on foam tape. I gotta get some more foam squares. Lisa, get some more foam squares in the shop. Okay. I'm gonna do one more piece for the second layer. But guys, you can do so much with this die set. Really cute. I love to have Doily dies in my stash. Like, you can never go wrong with them. You can make bag toppers. The list honestly goes on and on. Okay, so there goes our second piece, second layer. I'm just gonna glue this one down. Guys, let me put another glue stick. I'm going through these glue sticks like crazy. All right. Sorry. So we got that. And then I want to put some foam on this milkshake. Again, this is the Primavera collection from Rosie Studio. It's so pretty, you guys. I don't want to stop playing with it. I've never really had too many collections that I'm usually like one and done, you know, like I'll make what I'm gonna make and then I move on. But I really, really love this collection. And it is, I'm gonna put some foam tape here too. Yeah. And let's put some foam tape on here. I'm gonna use my thinner. I think I'm gonna need 2 layers. To give it some sturdiness and stability. Some, I might not. I'm gonna leave it like that for now. Let's go ahead and put some foam tape on this flower. I just want this to be a really pretty dimensional embellishment. Don't be scared to layer it up. That embellishment book is perfect for embellishments because it gives you a lot of space to stack it up. Okay, did I have it this way? We're gonna go with it this way. And then I'm gonna put this one. Let me angle this a little more. Yeah. There we go. Let me know what you guys think about my projects that I created for Happy Crafter Shop this month with her design team package she sent me. I hope that you guys liked my projects. All right, I'm gonna have to put some foam tape right here to make that nice and sturdy. I feel like I need another layer, you guys. Yeah. I'm gonna have to do it off. Let me pause this. All right, and I'm gonna put some foam tape on this little guy here. I want that one to sit on top. So I'm probably gonna go with 2 layers of the foam tape. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, I love that. I just have to put some foam tape under here so it can be sturdy. Probably gonna need like 3. All right, and then let's take our tool and just glue it right there. stick in here, guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this craft with me. Make sure that you guys take advantage and grab these die sets. And I will keep you updated on when she restocks that embellishment look. Okay, guys? Look at how pretty. I do want to add like some little jemmies or something, but for now, I'm going to leave it like that, you guys. This is how they came out. Got the cute little milkshake one, the little bow one, and then we got the giraffe. She's missing a bow. We got to get her a bow. And then another little cute bow one, okay? So that's it for this video, you guys. I hope that you guys, again, enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about my projects again for Happy Crafter Shop for the month. And I will catch you all in the next video. Bye, everyone.